How you doing? My name's Tom Hashem. I'm in charge of strategic alliances for buying.com. And basically we are in a protocol in the e-commerce sector that concentrates on minimum order quantity orders directly from manufacturers to consumers, cutting out all intermediaries. The other things that we do are hyper-local distributions for our decentralized delivery network and latent storage for individuals that are looking to basically Airbnb extra space in their retail market or their garage or their home, and they want to make money off of storage of latent storage capacity. Our delivery network also is decentralized in the sense that drivers, Uber-like drivers, will pick up products from our distribution nodes and deliver them directly to consumers. End goal being with a 2-hour delivery.
Oh, very nice. Are you guys in ICO stage or what stage are you guys in?
We're in the stage where we're just entering into the private sale, which will be September 1st, starting on buying.com. You'll be able to go there in the private sale. You have an extra bonus available for early adopters, and then the pre-sale tier 1 starts in October 1st.
Cool. Are you guys ERC token or are you?
At this point, we're an ERC 20 token. Yes.
Okay. If they want to find more information about you, where can they go?
They're welcome to go to buying.com. Not only do we have our white paper on there, we have our first release of our technological yellow paper coming out. This was worked on by people from MIT, all the intricacies of our technology, and they could also, they're welcome to call the telephone number that's on there for investor relations.
And you guys are US based?
We are US based, and we filed all the necessary paperwork with the SEC.
Oh, awesome. So at least you can say, the FCC can say at least one company filed with them.
Yes. The reason being is because if you're doing business in the United States and you're building a company and delivering products and so on and so forth, and you want your token to be able to be used in the banking sector, you're going to have to be legitimate.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you very much.
Thank you.